Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I want to show you what I have been working on recently. I have built the Hazbin Hotel from, well, the show Hazbin Hotel. I got a bunch of suggestions asking if I would make it, so out of curiosity I googled it and it's an incredibly cool looking build. The only issue is it's an incredibly complex build and it will take an incredibly long time to make. It took me an insane amount of time to actually just design the thing. I actually can't imagine how long the tutorial will take if I do decide to make it. It'll probably be like over 2 hours of tutorial just to build this thing. So I figured before I spend actual days of my life devoting myself to making a video for you guys, would you guys actually like to see a tutorial for this thing? I am on the fence because of how long it will actually take. It's a really cool build. It won't even really fit into Mini City. It's insanely huge. But if you guys want to see it, I could be persuaded to make it. If I don't end up making a tutorial for this, don't worry, I will include it in my Mini City design world, so those of you that are channel members and also have Java Edition will at the very least be able to download it, which is a lovely perk if you are a member of the channel. But anyway, there we go. Leave a comment down below letting me know if I should make this thing and throw a like on the video just to show some support. And if you guys want to see it, expect to see it soon? Question mark? Goodbye.